Let's continue today with that minute with Bromark. Now we're down at the brush pile down here. Cindy's done picked up sticks and we've started the fire. And my job is to sit and watch this fire, and as it burns, make it smaller. So, I forgot my fishing pole. Right there's the pond. I probably won't be no closer to the pond today than right now, so maybe I can get Cindy to go up and get my fishing pole. Hey Cindy, love.
Hey, what?
Could you go up and get my fishing pole?
Not at the moment.
Oh, you would though?
No.
Oh.
No.
Well, it's an opportunity for me to fish while I'm down here watching the fire.
I see that. What an opportunity.
Well, we'll see how it goes. We'll see you on the next video. Okay, right now we're burning. So I'll catch you in the next video and we'll progress through the day. Thank you so much for stopping in once again and checking with us. Miss Cindy, you got anything to say out there to the homesteaders?
No. Nothing other than don't ever let your field get like this.
Okay.